Hey BNS, I'm Josh and I'm here to talk to you about place value charts. If you grew up doing math like this, you're not alone, so did I. And this is what we're working towards, but we think it's important to understand the math behind the math. So let's look at some place value stuff together. These are my base 10 blocks. So I've got ones. If I get enough of those, I can make a 10. If I get enough of those, I can make 100. Let's work through this same problem using base 10 blocks. So I've got 100 and 78. I've got 34, and I'm going to put them together and see what I get. So I can make another 10 with these guys. Looks like I can make another 100 with these guys. And that leaves me with 212. This is how most of your kids are first going to be exposed to place value. But let's move on to a chart and see if we can draw it out and get the same thing. So I've got 178, 6, 7, 8. I've got 34. And I'm going to see if I have enough to make a new bundle. So there's 8. I can take 2 more of these. And that's going to be too many ones to fit there, so I'm going to have to make another 10. Which leaves these 2 guys. So there's 2 ones left. Looks like I can make another 100 with these. So I'm going to bundle them up and make another 100. And that leaves 110. And I've got 200s. 212. I must be right. Eventually, we want to move on to doing this with numbers so that you're not drawing 10s and 1s all day long, especially when we get into multiplication and division. So let's look at 178 plus 34. 8 plus 4, 12 ones, so that's a 10 and 2 ones. 1 plus 7 plus 3 is 11, so that's one of those and one of these. 1 plus 1 is 2, 212. Does that look familiar? Ta-da! The math behind the math. This works for subtraction, works for multiplication and division, and it shows what place value means. It shows why borrowing and carrying works.